Take a look at this marvelous remodel at 10122 Garland Highway in Clinton, North Carolina. I'm David Saddlemeyer, Century 21 Liberty. For more information on this or any home for sale in town, visit my website, davidhomesforsalenc.com. That's the number 4. And you can also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Feel free to change your options to 1080p to see everything in high definition today. This property is located on over 2 acres. It's had a pre-market inspection done with everything fixed from that inspection. So no worries here. Big front porch and a large carport there. Some fresh landscaping. And this really pops, this blue and white on the stairs and front porch. I really like that. Let's go inside. Pretty much everything, for the most part, you're seeing is brand new. Flooring, paint, fixtures, appliances, vanities, kitchen cabinets, and much more. So take a look at all that in just a moment here. Coat closet, potential 4th bedroom. And coming back to here, living dining room combination with stairs to the 2nd floor. Very pretty luxury vinyl plank flooring here. There's fans. An impressive galley kitchen here with a small breakfast bar, and everything you're seeing is brand new. This is really attractive. Again, the breakfast bar, and here's this side of the kitchen. And the other side, we'll take a closer look at these granite counters. And you've got a pantry there, so that's really convenient. Door to your carport. Laundry room. Another closet. Really attractive vanities in all the bathrooms. So that half bath is really convenient to have downstairs. And look outside. Check out this backyard. Lots of space to relax or entertain. Got a storage shed there. There's the well. And lots of privacy. Brand new deck with a bench there in the corner. All right, let's go check out the 2nd story. And this is the owner's suite. And we're walking into the owner's bathroom here. Love this tile floor. And 2 closets. That's really clutch. 2 sinks in the vanity. Here's the shower. Got your toilet there. And the 2nd closet. A walk-in closet again. All right. And around the corner, 2 more bedrooms and another full bathroom. So 2.5 baths in total. And you'll find this one is just as attractive as the others. Hey, thanks so much for taking the tour with me. Again, my name is David. Don't be shy. Give me a call, 910-723-8888. I'd be happy to show you any home for sale in town or to have your property listed for sale on my channel. And check back soon for more videos on my channel. Hope you enjoyed the tour.